There's a certain way guys behave when they are trying to attract a girl and get her attention. It really is cute and quite sweet when you think about it. Either he is going to try and attract you in a subtle way, or be blatant to test the waters to see if you are interested too. Men and women use different tactics when trying to attract someone they are interested in. While women may seem obvious because they flip their hair or laughs at a guy's silly jokes to attract the guy they are interested in, men are just as obvious if you know what signs to look for. And in this video I am going to help you with all the surprising signs that guys show, which proves the fact that they are trying to attract you. Before I move on with these unusual signs, do you want to learn how you can become a true high value woman and attract the guy of your dreams into your life? Do you want to make any guy fall in love with you and get completely obsessed with you? If yes, you should download this free ebook which I personally wrote, where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. You see, there are some secrets that cannot be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time from the first link in the description box below. So, with that aside, here are the 10 easy to spot signs that he is trying to attract you. Sign number 1. He will make a lot of eye contact. When a guy is trying to attract you, he will first start off by making a lot of eye contact. He will look deep into your eyes and try to make a deep connection. As he gazes at you, he will try to hold your gaze to make sure you know that he is interested. You should know these signs when a guy is trying to attract you. If you are interested in him as well, tell him so, or at least let your body language do the talking, and hopefully he will find the courage to make a move. Sign number 2. He will research about your interests and hobbies. If a guy is interested in you, he will do his homework. He will find out everything he can about you, especially your likes, your dislikes, and your hobbies. Your interests and hobbies are his way in. If he knows you are into cycling, he will learn all he can about cycling, or even take it up himself, so he can talk about it with you and create commonality and bond. Sign number 3. He will have a very open and positive body language. Like I have told you in my other videos as well, a guy who is trying to attract you will always have a very open, positive body language towards you. His feet will be pointed towards you, and he may also mirror your behavior and subconsciously groom himself. Sign number 4. He will try his best to make you smile and laugh. When a guy is trying to attract you, he will try to be funny and charming. He wants you to like him, and he recognizes that laughter is the way to make you feel relaxed around him and for him to endear himself to you. Sign number 5. He will dress to impress you. If he knows that he is going to be seeing you, he will go out of his ways to look his best for you. If he knows your favorite style or favorite color, he will tailor his look to attract you. Sign number 6. He tries to get your attention. I'll use a gym analogy. A guy plants himself close to an attractive woman and starts lifting his weights. He puts more effort in that he usually would. He's trying to get her attention. He's looking for some way to further the interaction and look for confirmation that a woman likes them before they proceed. They often miss the subtle signs that same woman has already given them. Sign number 7. He flirts with you. A guy who flirts with every girl he meets is obnoxious and loses credibility fast. But flirting is common and is a sign from men that they find a woman attractive. Flirting is a safe way to test the waters. If he flirts and she responds, it works as a green light for him to proceed with the interaction. If he flirts and she is cold or doesn't reciprocate, he can back off before getting rejected outright. Sign number 8. He positions himself closer to you. Most guys are nervous when they see a beautiful woman. They hesitate for fear of rejection. He might not approach you in a direct straight line. He'll move closer to gauge your level of interest, and then if he feels it's safe to proceed, he will move closer again. Men are biologically programmed to move towards women they are attracted to. I see this in the gym when an attractive woman is working out. guys will naturally start gravitating towards her. Sign number 9. He goes out of his way to talk to you. A man won't go out of his way to talk to you unless he feels attraction for you. If it's a work function, he might be networking or being friendly. You will know right away by his vibe when he starts speaking. If it's a social setting and he makes an effort to approach you and talk to you, I think he likes you. Sign number 10. He initiates physical contact. Physical contact is a clear sign that he's attracted. He might touch your arm, put his hand on your back, or touch you in some other way. Physical gestures are a powerful sign of male attraction. Do you think your crush shows any of the 10 signs I talked about? Please comment below to share your experience that you had with any man, and feel free to add any other signs that you think should be added to this list. If you are interested in more videos like this on relationship advice and dating tips, feel free to subscribe to my channel, University of Obsession. My aim here is to help you get your guy completely obsessed with you. Please like and share it with your friends so they can improve their relationships as well. And yeah, if you want to learn how you can become a high value woman in true sense and get the guy of your dreams to fall in love with you, check out my free ebook which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free ebook is in the description box below. Until next time, see ya!